Hi, my name's Julie, Fei-Fan Balzer, and today I want to talk to you about an art technique called masking.
Masking is a process of protecting. So I have this little floral image, and let's say I want to keep the center section and leave it alone. So what I can do is I can just go ahead and cut the shape that I want to protect. And this is a wonky circle, which is fine. I'm actually protecting more of it there than I want, so I'm just going to cut away some more. And then I like to use a little piece of washi tape or some kind of other low tack tape, just in a little loop behind, just to make sure that it doesn't wiggle too much. Some people like to use Post-its or other things like that for the same process. So I have these stamps, and I'm just going to go ahead now and ink them up and stamp around and over my mask. So once I'm finished with my stamping, you can see that I just have something right here, and what I do is I simply remove the mask, and now you can see this entire area has been protected, and I have my frame around the area that I wanted to protect. So there are lots of different ways that you can use masking. You can use it to make cards and keep your sentiments separate. You can use masking to make art journal layouts pop. So for instance, this is in my art journal, and I've just cut a custom mask around my drawing, and now I'm gonna stamp around it. It's pretty cool.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and come on over and visit my blog at balzerdesigns.typepad.com.